TED tool is marketed as a product designed to make certain tasks easier, faster, and more convenient. The ads can make it look like a must-have tool that instantly solves a problem. But the real question is, should you buy before watching this? Now, to be fair, many practical tools really can save time and effort. The bigger issue is whether the real-world performance matches the marketing. What it does well can make tasks more convenient. Specialized tools are often designed to simplify repetitive work. Easy to use. Many products focus on quick setup and straightforward operation. Where the hype falls apart, marketing can exaggerate results. This is the biggest issue. Demonstration videos often show perfect conditions. Build quality can vary. A tool is only as good as its materials and durability. Not every problem needs a specialized gadget. Sometimes traditional tools already do the job well. So, should you buy a TED tool? Short answer, only with realistic expectations. It may be useful depending on your needs, but avoid assuming it will completely transform the task it's designed for. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.